Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how to install Flutter and required tools and plugins. First, to install Flutter, go to the Flutter website. Here you can see this for different OS in Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome. We are going to install it on Windows OS, so clicking Windows. These are the Windows system requirements. Maximum it is Windows 7 onwards it is supports. Now to install this Flutter SDK, there are two options available. One is download this zip file and put it on some specified folder. Here main warning is do not put in these program files, that's all. Now the other option to install is git clone. We can clone the directly the repository. Here it is the GitHub Flutter page. So to install this, first we need to go to the CMD. Go to the CMD and then just go to the C drive, because we need to put it. Now create a directory, same as whatever the directory you can give name. Go to the directory. Now just copy this and right click, it will install automatically. Now it is completed, it is installed. Now what is the next step is, here the next step is to assign the environment variable to the Flutter bin. So what is environment variable assignment, that we will check it. Suppose if you want to open this Flutter command in CMD, if you want to open Flutter command, go to that folder where we are installed to check this. So now we have to need a command Flutter doctor. This is the basic to check the Flutter installation. Now you will see this error. Flutter is not recognized internal external command. This is because of this environmental path is not assigned. So where to assign, how to assign? For that, go to the installation folder where you are installed. This is the folder, our folder, and then check this bin. Here this dot and Flutter both are available in the same folder, bin folder. This copy this path and keep it in a saved. Then open env. Here you can type, here also it is available, but you can type it here, env, edit environment variable, edit system environment variables. Here you click environmental variables and here you go to this path, system variable, user variable. There are two variables are there. In this one, select system variables and then click path, click edit, then click new. Actually before that you can check here, see program files, whether you are src bin folder is there or not. Flutter, it is not there, so click new and paste it here. See C folder and whatever the name you are giving, Flutter bin, this is the location, that is the path. So this is the path variable of Flutter bin. So this is the path variable of Flutter bin. Okay. So why it is required to check whether where from Flutter and dot are coming. So whether it both are coming from path to folder bin Flutter, same path to folder bin dart. Some Windows will work on this command where Flutter dot coming. So we will check here also. You can type where Flutter dot. Some Windows will work, some Windows may not. So in this window it is not coming. Okay, no issue. Now we will check that Flutter doctor command. So we have assigned the path, but even though it is not coming, even after assigning the path it is not coming, the issue is we need to restart this CMD. Restart, close and restart. Go to that CMD again, go to the same folder. Now run this same command. Now we are going to run this same command. Now it is recognized, it is installing the required tools and components. It will take little bit of time. Now it is installed. Now you can see there are three issues it is showing. Doctor found three issues. So what are the issues it is showing? First issue is Android toolchain. Developer for Android devices unable to locate Android SDK. Install Android Studio from developer Android Studio HTML. Okay, so it is showing first install the Android Studio, and also on first launch it will assist you in installing Android SDK components. That we will check it. So go to that Android Studio. Here is the Android Studio. Download it. Now we will start installing Android Studio. This is the latest version 4.1 we are installing. Click by default whatever the location it is showing. Now it is completed. Click next, finish, and start the Android Studio. Here you can see, as per this, on first launch it will assist you in installing the Android SDK components. So here also it is showing missing SDK, no Android SDK found. Before continuing, you must download the necessary components or select an existing SDK. So it will install the required SDKs automatically. Click next. So these are all the SDKs required. It will install automatically. Android SDK platform. So it will show the location also. If suppose if you want to change, you can change, otherwise leave it as it is. This is showing in the user update a local Android SDK. The click next. This Android SDK all, by default whatever the required it will be there. These are all the SDKs. If you want, we can add it later. Click finish. Now it is start installing. It will take time, depends upon the internet connection. Now all the required components, downloading all the components and installed. Now finish it. Now Android Studio is installed. Now we will just run this Flutter Doctor to check again what are all the issues, whether it is solved or not. The main issue is Android toolchain and SDKs. Here, okay. Here you can see previously it is showing Android toolchain, developer Android devices, Android SDK. It is not version is not shown here. Now it is showing. That means it is installed. But what is the issue is, actually here it is 3, here it is 4, means 1 is increased, means this is VS Visual Studio Code that we will show you. Flutter extension is not installed, that we will show you. Before that we will solve it one by one, these issues. Android toolchain. Here Android toolchain, developer for Android devices. Here it is showing developer for Android devices, but version is showing Android SDK version 30.0.2. That means it is installed. But what is the issue is unable to locate Android SDK. Now it is located. Android license is not accepted. To resolve this, run Flutter Doctor Android licenses. So the first issue you will solve by just after installing the Android Studio. Just copy this and right click and enter. It will accept the license. It will ask, we have to type yes, 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 yes. We have to read and type. We are already read it. That's why we are typing accepting yes. We are already read the lines, each and everything. Okay, now it is all the things we are accepted. All SDK package license accepted. Now again run this code Flutter Doctor. Now you can see that from 4 to 3 it is reduced. That means Android toolchain developer for Android SDK version is completed. That is, if you see the tick mark, now issue is resolved. Now we will solve this issue. That means VS Code that we will reduce it. Flutter extension is not there. VS Code is nothing but Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code to install, refer our channel. We are already shown how to install Visual Studio Code. So in Visual Studio Code, you can go here, click this. This is the extension. Extension you can install any plugins. So we need to install Flutter. Here you can see VS Code version is there. Flutter extension is not installed. Just type this Flutter. Okay, FLUTT here. Flutter. Now Flutter, just click and install. Installing. Now it is installed. Here you can see uninstall. That means it is installed. Now just go to that command line. That again run this Flutter Doctor. Yes. Now you can compare. It is 3 now. It is 2 now. That means from we are solving the issues from 4 to 3, 3 to 2. Now we are solved that Android toolchain SDKs. We have solved by clicking the yes, accepting the license. Then VS Code, nothing but Visual Studio Code. We have installed the Flutter extension plugin. Next, this Android Studio version, Flutter and Dart plugin we have to install. Go to that Android Studio. Here you can see configure. Click plugins. Configure plugins. Marketplace. Type Flutter. Here you can see Flutter. These are all the versions available. Flutter. So you click install. Here you can click install Flutter. Flutter plugin requires Dart plugin to be installed. It will install automatically by itself. Now restart IDE. Restart. Now Flutter and Dart plugin installed. Here also you can note create a new project. This is Android Studio default. And the next line, create new Flutter project. This is because of it is recognized this Flutter. That's why it is showing here create new Flutter project. So now we will run this code here. Flutter Doctor. Here still that 2 issues is showing, but even though we are installed this both the plugins, here you can see both the plugins we have installed. Go to the installed Flutter and Dart. So these are the 2 plugins required. Already we are installed. It is not taking means we have to here also you can see it is enabled. But only thing to solve this issue, one is we have to neglect it, ignore it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.